Hi, VencoreWeather.com, meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, January 25th. Kind of a topsy-turvy pattern over the next week or so in terms of temperatures. Chilly today and tomorrow, but then we turn much milder here in the Mid-Atlantic region this weekend. High temperatures today will be confined to the 30s, probably the 40s on Friday, and then the 50s both days of the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, although there will be some shower activity Saturday night and Sunday as a strong cold front comes through. That cold front will usher in quite a chilly air mass for the early and middle part of next week. In fact, by Tuesday, there may be some parts of the I-95 corridor that struggle to reach the freezing mark for highs. Again, that's on Tuesday. So an up and down pattern over the next several days. Here's the European model run from last night, 0Z, of the 850 millibar temperature anomalies averaged out over the current 5-day period we're in. Relatively normal showing up here in the Mid-Atlantic region. That's because it's combining, it's averaging out the cold air for today and tomorrow with the milder air for Saturday and Sunday, and then cold again on Monday and Tuesday. Again, an up and down pattern over the next several days, averaging out to near normal here in the current 5-day period. Now let's look ahead to next week. Well, here we go. This is days 6 to 10, and this encompasses that next cold air mass that arrives here on Monday. There'll be strong northwest winds on Monday. Cold air will really be felt by Tuesday. Again, highs could struggle to reach 32 degrees in parts of the I-95 corridor. This 5-day period encompasses that next cold shot for the early and middle part of next week. Well, let's walk through the surface forecast maps from the 6E GFS model run right through the weekend and into the early part of next week. High pressure now dominating the scene here in the eastern U.S. It's a cold high. There was kind of a reinforcing shot of cold air. That's why today will be colder than it was yesterday. There was a cold frontal passage two nights ago and kind of a reinforcing shot in the overnight hours. Let's move ahead in 6-hour increments, and we'll watch as this high pressure system slowly shifts to the east to off the east coast, and here we are by tomorrow morning right along the eastern seaboard. That positioning of the high pressure right on top of us tonight here in the I-95 corridor will allow for quite a cold night. Winds will die down to calm conditions, and there certainly will be a rapid drop-off in temperatures. Lows tomorrow morning could be near 20 degrees in many parts of the I-95 corridor. Look, however, out here over the middle part of the country, the Great Lakes all the way down to the south-central U.S., southwesterly flow of air on the backside of that high will push milder air towards the Great Lakes on Friday. That all translates to the East Coast by Saturday. Here we go by Saturday morning. High pressure off the East Coast. Southwesterly flow of air will develop here in the Mid-Atlantic region. 50s for highs on Saturday. Quite a nice day on Saturday. It looks dry, but then these showers associated with the next cold frontal system looks like will arrive here Saturday night and certainly Sunday. Showers likely Saturday night into Sunday. Here we go by Sunday morning. Showers right here over the I-95 corridor. And notice a wave of low pressure starts to form on the southern part of that frontal system. We'll have to keep an eye on it. It slides just to the east of the Mid-Atlantic region, and here we go by Monday afternoon. We'll have to keep an eye on it, but here we go on the backside. Strong north to northwest winds on Monday. Quite a chilly air mass anchored by strong high pressure out here on Monday over the northern plains. That cold air just with some snow shower activity possible as well late Monday night really is felt by the time Tuesday morning rolls around here. Here we go, Tuesday morning. Very cold here in the I-95 corridor. Highs could struggle to reach the freezing mark in parts of the I-95 corridor come Tuesday. So an up and down pattern. Chilly today and tomorrow. Milder this weekend, and much colder air moves in for the early and middle part of next week. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.